Hey there, today's Baking Basics quick tip is all about egg wash. Now in baking, there are many recipes that call for an egg wash to be brushed on the baked good before it goes into the oven. The purpose of this is to give the final product a golden brown color that is slightly shiny. Now an egg wash is made simply by whisking together an egg with about 1 tablespoon of water. Most bakers don't actually measure the amount of water that's whisked in, they just eyeball it until it looks like it is the right consistency. You want to make sure that the egg white and the yolk are completely incorporated and thin enough to easily brush on your dough with a pastry brush. Typically, egg washes are used on pastries like Danish or a pie crust, or on enriched breads like a soft dinner roll or a sandwich bread. If you look at baked goods side by side with and without an egg wash, the one that did not get brushed will look a little more dull or rustic. The one that did get the egg wash will have a brighter color and it tends to just look a little bit more professional. If you need to brush your baked good with something other than an egg wash to help it brown or to help toppings like coarse sugar stick to it, you can use a substitute, something like heavy cream or melted butter, or even a neutral flavored oil if you do need a vegan option. Now these substitutes will help your baked goods brown, however be aware that they won't really have that shiny finish like it does with an egg wash. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like and leave me a comment letting me know, and I will see you next time with another baking tutorial.